Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I am shooting a video of our 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. As you can see from the key fob, I can operate the power doors. It's got the power electric in-floor ramp there. This is a VMI North Star conversion. It's about 29.5 inches of room there coming in. Roll your wheelchair right on in the van. It's got the tie downs. We give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. It's got this nice cream colored interior. You see a little bit of light staining on that back seat. I'll have my detailer hit that again. Both front seats are removable, so if you wanted to remove the driver's seat and pull your chair up in there, you can remove the passenger seat, put a chair up there, put a second one back here. A lot of different configurations we can do on these vans. Talk to us, let us know what your needs are, and we'll see if we can help. With the rear air controls, the dash looks great. This van only has 9,000 miles on it. Looks about brand new for the most part. Few small blemishes, I'll point those out. Steering wheel controls, backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plugs for all your electronics, plenty of cup holders. When you've got everybody secure, you can come back out. You can shut the ramp and door with either the fob here. It's got controls inside the van up there on this console up top. So what I'll do is just shut everything back down. I'll do a quick walk around to the van. We took this on trade from a family down in Texas. They decided they wanted a rear entry van that worked better for them, which different folks, different strokes. It's got the alloy wheels. You know, these tires have about 9,000 miles on them, so pretty much everything on this van is brand new condition or pretty darn close to it. It's hard to find a dent or scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but boy, it's sure not far from it. It's got the tinted windows in the rear. Step boards on the side. You can see the VMI North Star conversion emblem. This ramp, the conversion, and the van themselves, they meet the 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty specifications. There's a little rattle coming from the back. We took this over to a VMI dealer under warranty. They fixed the ramp at no problem, or the rattle in the back, I'm sorry, which was part of the conversion, which is my point. It's got two keys with fobs. Very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Very clean interior. I'm going to show you the VIN number there. We always show you the VIN number in our videos, so you know we say we're selling the van. We say we're selling. Power driver seat. It's just a little plastic we put on here, especially with this light color, in case someone with a dirty behind gets in here. We don't want it getting on these seats. Power seat works great. See a little black mark there, but hope you see in our videos I'm trying to be as honest as I possibly can about this van. I'm not trying to hide anything from you. You can operate all the doors from up there as well. You can even turn them off if you want to make all the doors manual. Go to fire up the vehicle. It's got that push button start, which is nice if the key is in your pocket or your purse. You can get in, you don't have to look for it. You can see the current mile is 9,320. It's got the backup camera there as well. Very nice safety feature. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Before I get under the hood, this does have the kneel. You can turn it on or off. When I did open the door, the kneel, the van did squat down, if you'll notice that. So it does have the kneel function if you need it. Let's look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood, it looks great underneath here. No signs of any damage. We look along the fender rails. We check over for any water. This van came from the Dallas area, which is, doesn't have much snow. No flooding in the past. We had this van inspected before we purchased it. We inspect our vans. We're buying from the same perspective you are. I don't want anything with a bunch of issues. I don't want anything that's been pulled out from the bottom, out from a flood. I don't want anything that's been in a bad accident. Very clean underneath, and if you compare us to our competitors, a lot of them have really good prices online, and they don't bother to show you what's going on underneath the van. Trust me, don't assume things. Don't assume because this van has 9,000 miles on it, or because it's 2017, or because the price looks good, or because the salesman is nice to you. Don't assume that it's a good van, that's not all rusted out, that they didn't buy this from Chicago or New York and saved a bunch of money buying it. But in the end, the customer is the one that doesn't know what's going on underneath. It's got a bunch of rust, and it may not even pass inspection in some states, so just buyer beware. I did notice a little scrape there on the trim, and a slight little scratch here. These are going to happen with these lowered floors. But again, that's the number one mistake people make when buying a vehicle. They assume things. Don't assume things. If you're going to spend $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 on a van, demand they get out there and make you a video. And if they won't get out there and make you a detailed video like this, It shows you everything, not just kind of a half effort video. Tell them to get out there and make a detailed video. If they won't do it, take your business somewhere else. I'm telling you, do not assume things. That's the #1 mistake people make when buying a vehicle. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, last portion of the video. We always like to get the vehicles on a test drive. I'm going to accelerate so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift. And you don't have to assume this vehicle runs and drives nice. You know it. You see it in this video. That's why we make these videos. I want you to know everything I know about this van. If you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, I want you to know this van is exactly what we're advertising. We're not trying to hide anything from you. You can see you got the cruise control set, 65 miles an hour, drives very nicely down the highway. And look, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Everyone they're all over the country. Ask yourself, compare their rating to ours, compare our A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Feel free to look them up, and if they don't have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, I'd ask you, why are you considering doing business with them? I would also ask you to check out their Google reviews. Look at our Google reviews, look at all the nice things people had to say about us. Compare us. Feel free, compare us to the competition, compare our pricing. We are very low maintenance, very low pressure sales. We don't get up in your face. These vans, our reputation, and our video and our pricing, that's what's gonna sell these vans. If you don't buy this van, I promise you somebody else is gonna. So I'm gonna give the van a hard brake at the bottom of this exit so you can see there's no unusual grinding, vibration, or brake noise. Brakes perfectly. So it's not quite a brand new van, but it's sure not far from it. And I do believe if it's taken care of, it will last you or your family or maybe your business for many years to come. When I go back to comparing us to the competition, I'm out here making videos. Again, I want you to know exactly what you're getting. As the owner of the company, I have laying on the ground. And that's another thing, I'm not a used car salesman, I am the owner of the company. A lot of these companies you're dealing with, you're talking to a used car salesman. They don't care if you get a good deal, they don't care if you get the truth. There's one thing they sure care about, they care about that commission check. Do you want to deal with a used car salesman, or do you want to deal with an owner? If you want to deal with the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Again, my name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, if that's more convenient for you, or you feel more comfortable just texting, give me a text. 316-518-4377. That is my cell phone number. You now have the owner's cell phone number. I want you to ask one of those big companies. I want you to ask them for the owner's cell phone number in case you ever have a problem or a question or something like that. I'm interested to see how that goes for you. Keep me posted on how that works out, asking for the owner's cell phone number. We do have financing available. We can send you an application online. We can take one over the phone. To see our entire inventory, please look us up, www.mobility316.com. We do these videos on all of our vans. That's mobility316.com. If I can help you in any way, please give us a call, reach out to us, let us know how we can help. And as always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.